So I've come to show you the park. It's a neighborhood park. That is where the bus stop is, so it's very convenient for parents or guardians ama anyone who doesn't have a car. Anaweza panda basi akuja kwa park. It's just around the neighborhood. It's very well maintained. So here is where we bring the kids to play. There's a time kulikuwa na nini giveaway back to school supplies, bags, vitu tu za shule, na hapa ndo tulikuja kuzichukua. Okay, one of them, we've been to a couple. But if you want to see that, let me know. I still have those clips I'm gonna show you. So those are the swings. We are not going to enter today because it's 6 p.m. right now. No kukileta watoto, you know you have to bring them for a long time. And since it's a school day, we are going to bring them some other time, kama Friday evening. Yeah, because they have to be in bed by 8 p.m. Ndo asishinde kuamka kesho asubuhi. Yeah, so that's how it looks. It goes all the way there. Entrance iko pale mbele. Yeah, so we'll come another time. And also, this park has a basketball court. So guys come to train here sometimes. And then the water park is right there. And then there's a place you can come and have a picnic. And also if you have a dog, a section for dogs. So next time I come ningie ndani, I'll show you around. Telling you this time, it feels like I'm coming here for the first time. There's so much to learn, how the systems work, how money works. Because right now, I've come here to live and work. Last time I was here to visit, so I didn't care much about how systems work. I was here for a short time. But so far so good. I went through the process of getting my social. I didn't film that, but I'll try and film for when I go get my ID. This estate is so big. It's a new estate. Hata kujamaliza kujengwa. You see, some houses are still being built. There's so many. And then these posts that they've put here, all the way there, these are called model homes. So these are the homes they use to showcase to clients, just in case you want to buy a house here. You come to the office, it's right there. Then they take you to each house. Each house is fully furnished, well staged, so that you see whether it's something you'd be interested in. Although right now they've already been sold, all of them. So hakuna nyumba imebaki. I'll show you even some land that's not built yet, that hajaanza kujenga. That piece of land already has its owner. So here there are different types of houses. Hizi nyumba za ghorofa, one-story houses. There's something for everybody. So yeah, I like to take evening walks. At least, you know, kutunakula sana. So kupunguza hiyo kukata weight. Yeah, mnaona venye haoni supu. Hivi ndo zinakaa. But pia hizi they already sold. So eventually kuna watu tu watakuja waingie. Unaona? Sold. Zilikuwa za kuonyesha watu, but they also sell them. You see what I was telling you about? They're also one-story homes. This house is so big, msione hivyo. Unaona, ishauzwa. Yeah, this estate is so big. Ni kubwa sana. Yani ni kama, it's like buruburu from phase 1 to phase 5. That's one estate. This builder did a good job with these houses. Nimeanza kusweat. But that's a good sign. I wish we meet a garage that's open. I show you how Indies here wanapikanga, wanakuanga na kitchen kwa garage. So the houses don't come with a kitchen in the garage, but they build a kitchen for themselves. So that when they cook, you know, they use very strong spices. Yeah, you asked one guy one time, akatuambia that's the reason why some of them have kitchens in their garage, so that those strong smells zisikae kwa nyumba. So they opened the garage door, they cook. When they're done, harufu imeisha. Na kama ile imefunguliwa pale, hebu tupite tuone kama ni kupika anapika ama amefungua tu. I hope they have a kitchen. Tujione kama ni ukweli anapika. Pale washaeka gari. But yeah, most of them zinakuanga na nini na kitchen kwa garage. So anapika. Ukitembea huku usiku, unasikia kuna nukia vizuri. Kuna tu kari na paprika. Watu wanajipenda. Wanajipenda sana. Now I'm facing the sun. Hii jua imepungua. It's gone down a bit, but it's still hot. It's still hot. So ule ajeka nini? Hana kitchen. Wana tu venye amejenga nini? Veranda zao. Unaona kama ule hana kitchen. Kwani leo? Too bad la tujangukia mwindi amefungua garage tuone akipika. But I'll still show you one of these fine days. Another thing, have you noticed maids? Mnaona maids huku? Na watoto wenyu kwa barabara. Kwa pavement. Wakikusengenya vile wewe ni boss mbaya. Nope. Oh yeah. Huku kila mtu minds their own business. People are so busy. Kuna masaa. So you see, that's one of the houses that are being built. Hiyo itaka like one of those. So inaka hivyo but ishanunuliwa. Mwenyewe anangoja imalize kujengwa. So ile ni, that's another entrance to the estate. Ile pale mnaona huko ni shule. That's also part of the estate. Imeenda mpaka huko. Yani I'd hate to be this guy. Imagine wewe ushahama kando yako kuna jengwa nyumba. And it takes like about 6 months on the lower side. So now let's go home. I've had enough of this sun. Nimesweat kiasi and I feel good. Yeah, so let me know whether you want to see how those model homes look inside. I'll get time and go show you vile zinakaa ndani, muone how these houses look inside, because obviously I can't show you home. Yeah, let me show you one that's almost done. Muone vile inakaa. No, even the shell inakaa mbao, and then they're going to finish up the house mpaka ikuje ikae hivyo. See, from this to that. Kuna nukia vizuri. But this wood is so quiet. So mimi nishafika home. Thanks guys for watching. Keep subscribing. Bye.